In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use index match formulas in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull the right value from one column based on a matching value in another, using a clean, reliable formula that scales as your sheet grows. Start on the Smartsheet homepage. From here, you can either start a new project, program or process if you're building something from scratch, or open an existing item. If your sheet appears under suggested, that's a quick way to jump in. Otherwise, head to all workspaces to find the workspace that holds the sheet you need, then open the sheet. Once your sheet is open, click into the row and cell where you want the result to appear. We're going to enter an index with a nested match. In plain terms, index returns a value from a column you specify, and match tells index which row number to use by locating an exact match for your lookup value. Begin typing your formula with the equal sign. Next, type index and select the column that contains the values you want returned, such as a total, name, or code. After selecting that column range, add a comma. Now type match. For the lookup value, click the cell in the current row that holds the value you want to find, like a specific budget name or code, then add a comma. Next, select the column where Smartsheet should search for that value, for example, your budget column, and add another comma. Type 0 for an exact match, then close the match and index parentheses and press enter. A quick recap of the logic. Match scans your chosen lookup column to find the row where your lookup value appears and returns that row number. Index then uses that row number to pull the corresponding value from the return column you picked first. The 0 forces an exact match, which helps prevent accidental partial matches. A few tips to keep this robust. Make sure your index return range and your match lookup range cover the same set of rows top to bottom. If your data might move, lock ranges with $signs so the references don't shift when you copy the formula to other rows. Keep data types consistent. Numbers stored as text won't match numbers. If you see an error, double-check spelling, extra spaces, and that the value truly exists in the lookup column. That's it. You've set up an index match in Smartsheet to return the right value with an exact match, reliably and efficiently.